In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively make videos play on multiple frames using Canva. Whether you're working on a presentation or crafting a creative project, this technique can add significant impact to your visual storytelling. So let's dive in and explore the process step by step. To begin, make sure you have your Canva project open and ready to work with. If you haven't already created one, simply go to Canva's website and get started by either opening an existing project or starting a new one. This project will be our workspace for arranging the video across different frames. Now let's focus on how to get videos to play across multiple frames. Imagine we're working with 3 phone frames for this example. It's important to ensure that your video appears behind these frames initially. This setup will act as a guide as we proceed. Our first task is to duplicate the video to match the number of frames we have, which in this case is 3. So you'll need to copy the video twice, giving you a total of 3 instances of the video, each corresponding to one of the phone frames. Once you have your 3 video copies, position each one so that it occupies a different phone frame. The key here is to ensure each phone frame displays part of the video, collectively creating the illusion of continuity across all frames. To achieve this, insert each duplicated video into its respective phone frame. This action will involve a little bit of manual adjustment. After inserting a video, you'll need to double-click it to fine-tune its position. This step is crucial. Adjust the video within the frame so that it matches the one at the back. Essentially, you're aligning the visible section of the video in each frame with the guide that your initial full-length video provides. Repeat this adjustment for each of the remaining frames. Taking your time here to get the alignment just right will greatly enhance the final effect of the video seamlessly playing across the multiple frames. Once you've adjusted all the video sections, take a moment to review how the frames look together. The idea is to make the transition from one frame to the next appear smooth, as if the video is flowing naturally across them. This seamless flow is what makes this technique visually striking and engaging to the viewer. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your video to play on multiple frames within Canva. This technique can really elevate your design projects, making them more dynamic and interesting. So whether you're creating a presentation, an advertisement, or just experimenting with your design skills, mastering this method will definitely add a creative edge to your work. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy designing!